So here I was just getting some geography studying done. I was just going through some definitions before school started. I love doing this in the mornings before school starts. I think a little bit of extra studying is definitely helpful.
Question 5 was actually quite badly answered. Make sure you answer it. And again, a lot of people got... Okay, if you look at I is the one that's cut off. It's separated. It is not...
Hi guys. So I got back from school. I want to make lunch quickly. I think I'm just gonna have like, I don't know, some stir fry and chickpeas or something. I don't know. And then I'm gonna study until 6 p.m. so that's 3 hours. I don't know what I'm gonna study yet, but I want to study something. I might do a little bit of math. Hi guys. Hello you guys. I'm setting up my workout area because my gym decided to not have any dumbbells. Isn't that literally absolutely amazing? Every time I walk into gym the past few weeks, I go to the free weight section, I go to the other weight section, there's no dumbbells. Anyway, and it's been like that for a few weeks now, so I got my own dumbbells. Basically, I'm gonna be doing a workout. I have my yoga mat here. I'm pretty sure I bought this at Cotton On. That's where I buy everything. I have a few resistance bands. I have this little, that one, powerful. And I have a few harder ones. I use these. And I have two 4 kg dumbbells. I also have a 5 kg kettlebell, but I don't think I'm gonna use that in today's workout. I also have two 2 kg ankle weights. Let me open this mat, and I think I'm gonna be doing a Pilates by Izzy workout. I did one yesterday and it left me in pain, a lot of pain. We're doing another workout from her today. I've done Daisy Keach, I've done Alexis Rin, I've done Move with Nicole, I've done Rosie Graham, I think that's her name. I've done Louis Ting, I've done everything. I feel like because I've done so many of these like YouTuber Pilates instructors, I need to move to a more intermediate level, and that's what I do with Izzy, her Pilates. I've also been doing a lot of incline cardio, or just cardio on the treadmill in general, but I also feel like I'm not pushing myself as I should be when I do that. I feel like my body's gotten too used to it now, so I'm gonna get back to the Stairmaster. I used to do the Stairmaster for a long time. It started hurting my knees, but I suppose I'm gonna get back to it because it doesn't like the treadmill doesn't leave me in like feeling like I've progressed. So that's why I'm going back to the Stairmaster. But in saying that, I literally have zero ability to stay on the Stairmaster anymore, so I need to get back to that level that I was once at. Anyways, that's my workout that I'm gonna do. stuff. Anyways, hello you guys. I went to class. It was from 4:30 to 5:30, and I kind of like from like 1 to 4 p.m. I kind of didn't study at all because I had the worst stomach cramps. So I literally was just lying down, and then I had a nap, and I didn't even plan on having a nap. I just fell asleep, and then I started feeling really dizzy for some reason. I don't know. So I kind of didn't really do anything, and I actually was gonna skip class, but I was like, no, like my mom is paying, so let me go to these classes. There's 4 more classes until I'm officially done with extra math classes forever. So I ended up going, and we went through a very difficult past paper, and then I asked sir for the memo and he sent it, so I'm gonna try to see if I can do that whole paper. Anyways, I'm rambling, so let me continue studying. Bye guys. Okay guys, I'm gonna see if I can join a Google Meet. I have my candle, ask to join. I'm waiting to be let in. About 1:30 p.m. right now. Do not comment on how my hair looks. I hate it too. I want to do a quick, well not quick, it's like 40 minutes. I want to do a 40-minute Pilates workout. I don't know why my brain is just not taking in any info right now, like this whole morning. And then I'm gonna stay in my workout clothing because I need to go to gym later. The reason why I'm working out at home is because my gym doesn't have dumbbells. So I have to do my workout at home and then do the Stairmaster at the gym. But I need to get ready now. So I'm trying to figure out what to wear. I'm thinking they're pink shorts and a black zip-up jacket with my dog's hair on it. Okay, I finished my workout. As you can see, I changed into this outfit. Just these gray shorts and a hoodie. I'm dead. 1 liter of water, almost gone.